Fire up the pitter. Let's go, baby. It has been so long since I've been on a pit bike. So it is approximately 3 days after the tropical storm. I think it starts with an I or something. I don't know. They always name these things so weirdly. And I figure we get the pit bike out and go ride. I've been working through this. And so I was like, I want a break. Let's go, whatever. I've had school and stuff. They shut school down for a day. But I'm in like I'm kind of like the lower corner. I'm right near Galveston. Who? What the heck is that? Hang on. Who is this? I think this is somebody waiting for the bus. Let's come flying up here and check this out. No, they're just sitting there. Alright. Good to go. Anyway, sorry about the whole hurricane situation. Not hurricane. I keep thinking it was a hurricane. I think there was like both things. We had a tropical storm in Texas, and then I think some other place got hit by a hurricane. I don't really know. I don't watch the weather, y'all. Not a big weather guy, honestly. I don't know. It's just not my thing. But, you know, it is what it is. No, but we got like maybe 6 inches of rain in one night, and that was it. We didn't even lose power. And let me tell you, if there's any like anything happens in this town, we lose power for like days. Like, it happens. So obviously this wasn't that big of a deal, and I understand it for us. And I'm saying that for us, it was obviously a big deal for like everybody else. That's third gear. Whoops. No, it was fourth. Okay. I was going as fast as I could, and I was in third, and I was like, that's probably not good for the transmission. It's fine. And there we go. But anyways, yeah, it was pretty bad for other parts of the world. I know, you know, recently, I was watching Rob Ferretti, actually, his videos, and his warehouse just got flooded a couple weeks ago from some other storm. And I was just like, holy crap, that's crazy. And like, that's something I never thought I would ever see. That was truly crazy to see. Sticks. That was truly crazy to see. I mean, it flooded all of his cars, and these weren't like, you know, his Corvette and his whatever. It flooded his NSX, it flooded his new Porsche, it flooded his Ferrari. Like, it was sad, dude. Like, that broke my heart. I was like, dude, come on, dude, that sucks. And I mean, that could put most people out of business. Knowing him, he's a roach, he'll never die, and he's got more business sense than I could ever imagine. But it was truly crazy to see. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up now and let you guys just enjoy the ride for a second. Can we get across this? Hang on. Yeah, we're fine. Okay. Dude, I cannot believe, okay, it's starting to grow back right here, but we dug the hell out of this. Because this is our jump spot. This is my mini practice course that's like maybe 12 feet big. It's tiny. Get some big air though. You really do get some big air. And you can get sideways to these corners though. When the 110 will eat, the 110 will eat, baby. Oh, it's such a flat land. I'm gonna end up ripping the pegs. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh, look at y'all. I gotta go say hi. Hang on. They've never been out before like this, and they're so cute. Oh my goodness, y'all are so cute. Come here. Come here. You're so cute. You are beautiful. You need to stop barking all the time. But oh my god, what breed? Dude, that dog is so cute. Oh my god, that dog is so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Dude, there's still like tons of air opportunity right there. They're gonna keep running back and forth, aren't they? Let's get them their workout in today. Oh, I swear to god, that dog is so cute. Probably very needy, but very cute. That was just like trash jump. Whatever. That's a tree. Okay. It's wet. It's really wet out here. Oh, anyways, what I was talking about. Was I talking about the flood? Oh my god. I am terrible. Dude, that dog is still barking. Oh, we came off sideways on that one. Okay. Y'all probably didn't see it in the video. It was my rear end, but still. I gotta pet this dog before he kills me. Hang on. Hang on, come here. Come here. You bite me. You gonna bite me? You're gonna be nice to me. Here. Here. What's up, boy? What's up? How are you doing? How are you? You good? What's up? They're cute. Never do that, by the way. It's a terrible idea. They're my neighbors, so don't worry about it. They're cute. takes like 3 passes, and the dirt is perfect for getting this corner right here. Is actually, it doesn't look that sharp, but it's real sharp. But I've got it dug out just right to where it's like perfect. Just come full throttle through here, and then you drop in. I don't have it. Fun fact, I can almost never hit it now because I've like ruined it apparently, but it's fun. You do this all day long, baby. Woo! Then you gotta slam on the brakes and try to make this corner. Because I've seen tracks where they'll do way different. But no, it's tiny. It's a little circle, but it's just technical enough to where it's fun because you got your high speed coming in, and then you got that tight corner, and you come up to this, hit to get your big jump, and it slopes down this way, like this, and so you can get real sideways right there, and hopefully not fall over, but it's a lot of fun. But no, it's like, I definitely get the most fun out of that jump right there, which I need to get pegged. I need to get a brace, so I will probably end up ripping my pegs out. Oh, we're out. Oh, shit. Ow. I was lucky. I felt it slide, and I said, wait. And then I realized it was further than I needed to be. That was fun. And I'm dirty now. Oh, well, it's fine. Well, that's what we're titling this video. I wrecked the bike. Boom, there's your thumbnail. Okay. Sweet. Ow. Brand new bike. Already down. Trans is fine. Alright, we're good. That's always my big worry. These transmissions are, the shift shafts are really weak. It's a lot better than wrecking a jump, though. I wasn't even paying attention when I jumped that. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was still kind of out of it. That's what I get. It's still real wet right there, too. So I kind of got... That was all front tire. Dang. Okay. You almost did it again. It's all slick right there, bro. I slid into it and I throttled out of it because I was like, hang on, we're gonna hold on to this one. Dang, it is slick right there, bro. And I also need to get new front tire. Like right here, see right here? That is slick as hell right there, all up in there. That's not good. Now that I've dug it out, it's where the tire wants to go, and so I'll end up getting in there anyways. Ugh, it was rough. It was a good jump though. It was rough though. See how bad it is up here? It's really not that wet. For 2 days after a rainstorm and it hadn't gone over 85, it's really pretty dry actually, in some spots. Like, this is all completely dry, which is, like, solidly dry. Woohoo! Yeah, that is all dry up in there. Okay, it's really not bad. This is dry, too, which this is usually dry. This is usually not that wet. Hang on. Let's go, come on. Oh, it's so slow. What's up? It feels like, I don't know what it is, but this bike feels like it lags more in fourth gear, and I think it's just the clutch. Seriously. But it feels so slow now. Maybe I'm just finally used to the top speed of this thing. I would never do this when I first bought it, so maybe I've just gotten used to how it drives. I don't know. That felt slow to me. This doesn't feel slow, and that's only third gear, so I guess we're good, but all of this feels slow to me. Maybe I'm just crazier now on it. I've definitely gotten more used to the bike, too. That's definitely what it is. And I've had a chance to, like, actually ride it now, too, like, getting really used to the way it handles. And so I kind of know what to expect from it at this point. That's pop a tire. That was a big pop, whatever that was. A lot of people do all their stuff in second, and I'm like, why? Third is so much more fun. It's also where the bike makes the most power, so I don't know. I feel like fourth is still top end heavy. Like the top end, it lacks a ton. And these bikes always will lack a little bit of top end, I've heard on the forums when the guys do all like the big bore kits and the cams and everything else. I haven't decided whether I'm going to keep this bike stock or not. I really don't know. I love it the way it is, But again, I think once I mod my KLX, because I plan on doing like a build on it, that it's gonna just like be like, oh, this thing is so slow, you know. But again, I might like it that way because we might end up switching it because once that bike is worth more than this bike, which probably will be never, I'll have to let other people ride this one, because I usually let people ride this one anyways, because like fuel injection, and that one is good, but it's still really cramped and the seat is highly uncomfortable. They're gonna hate me for that. The neighbors get pissed. These neighbors, I don't think, so everybody's mad at them for building this fence, but like our neighbor over there, it's not looking good. But everybody's mad they put this fence up. I like the fence. I think it looks great, personally. Stained, it looks amazing. And I don't think it's that big of a deal, but apparently some other people don't like it. So, let's check the course out. There's a flipped over chair. It's really not that wet. Usually you're soaked in this area. It's really not that bad. We could totally race on this. 100% race on this. This is not bad. Oh, I almost ate it, bro. Holy crap. Whatever that route was, threw me hard. I've also never come that hot through there before, so that was interesting. But dude, my front tire I was trying to go left, and I hit that route, and I figured it would just go over it, but no, it like snapped me right, and I almost went right into that big tree right there. Holy balls, that was scary. Okay. Like something whacked me in the knee too. I've had the bar whack me in the knee. That's how hard it popped up. Right there. Hit me good. That one right there. Oh my god, that was ridiculous. Oh, that was just slow. I'm scared of it now. Because usually we come through here in 4th gear, and I know some people that are like, you do that in 4th? I'm like, yeah, I do that in 4th. What are you talking about? I think I'm crazy. And I do the rest of it in 3rd. There's that trailer right there I gotta watch out for. We stop right here. This is the starting line right here, and the stopping line is right, this tree right here. So technically you get caught off by like a couple feet, but it all kind of, this tree right here is a stopping line. And then the start line is right at those 2 gates, because you can line up 3 bikes. But I kind of want to change it, because last time we and whoever raced the bikes, this was terrible, because you'd come out of this gate, and it was whoever got the whole shot right here. Boom, you come into this tight section, and you cannot pass right here, because of this corner right here. You cannot pass right here. Unless they really want to commit suicide, you can't pass right there. And then you got this tight corner. And so like the minute if the course is so short, the minute you have like a second lead, there's no space for passing. Or maybe I'm just too good, I don't know. But no, you come in and boom, you do 2 laps and you can just lead on them. You can just come right back into this section, and it's all full throttle through here. That's a big trench. And then you hit your brakes right here, come wide, come into it. Full throttle in 3rd. This is a little sketchy right here. Oh, again, friggin' front tire. It keeps washing out because of the mud. Jeez, that is scary. But, I don't know how I kept that one up. I mean, my front tire was straight up like, yeah, you go. I was cutting less and it went like that. Like, what the heck? God, that section is so sketchy. I don't like that at all. I don't like that. Whatever. Okay. Big tree branch. Need to trim those down, but it's fine. My helmet mostly blocks it. But, dude, okay, so this corner's fine. That corner's actually way better, because usually I'm scared I'm going to slide out right there. But it's actually, like, right here, right now. Like, look. It's going right here, and you hit that branch, and boom, you just cut over. Because all this dirt, dude, you hit the branch, and it slides you. Like, look. Here's my tracks. Look at that. Oh, look at that track right there. I cut hard left. Had to save it. Holy crap, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, no, I'm good. We'll go back to the park now. Thought that was 4th. Whoops.